Nice hair. Thank you po. By the way, ito po yung ginagamit kong shampoo and conditioner. Guys, alam nyo ba, sa aking curly hair journey, I have only tried 3 shampoo and conditioner sa buhok ko. But only 2 work for me as of the moment. And one of those is Lux Organics Curl and Define shampoo and conditioner. Yes guys, I'm using this. Kung papansin nyo ano na to, paubos na to. Paubos na to. But I have lots of stocks ng conditioner kasi mas nauuna tong maubos. So mas marami ako nito. So yan guys, again, this is what I'm using. This is curl products ng Lux Organics. Again, Curl and Define. Ayan. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. The usual lang kung paano kayo mag-shampoo, kung paano kayo mag-conditioner. Ganun din siya ginagamit. Again, after shampoo, banlaw, after conditioner, ibabad lang ng 3 to 5 minutes and then banlaw na ulit. Yun lang. Check nyo na lang yung yellow basket. Bye!